What are some examples of personal liberty laws? Have you ever wondered how certain laws shape the fight against slavery in the United States? Personal liberty laws played a key role during the American Civil War and the Abolitionist movement. These laws were enacted by northern states to protect free black people and escaped slaves from being captured and returned to slavery under federal fugitive slave laws. One of the earliest examples is Pennsylvania's Personal Liberty Law of 1826. This law declared that no person could be taken out of Pennsylvania to be held as a slave. It also made it a crime for anyone to remove a person from the state for the purpose of enslaving them. This law was tested in the case of Prigg v. Pennsylvania, where a slave catcher was arrested for trying to return a woman and her children to slavery in Maryland. The law stirred controversy as it conflicted with federal fugitive slave legislation. Other northern states followed suit with similar laws. For instance, some states required that alleged fugitives be granted a jury trial before being returned to slavery. This was a significant change from the previous system, where a single commissioner could decide their fate. These jury trials aimed to provide greater protection for individuals accused of being runaway slaves, many of whom were actually free black citizens. In addition, some personal liberty laws prohibited state officials from assisting in the capture or return of fugitive slaves. They imposed penalties on those who tried to kidnap free black people. These measures made it increasingly difficult for slave catchers to operate in the North. The impact of these laws was notable. They helped create safe spaces for escaped slaves and free black communities. However, they also heightened tensions between northern and southern states. Southerners viewed these laws as a violation of federal law and an attack on their property rights. In the context of the American Civil War, personal liberty laws were part of the broader abolitionist movement. They reflected the growing divide between free and slave states. These laws highlighted how northern states were willing to challenge federal authority to protect the rights of black people. This conflict over personal liberty laws was just one of many issues that fueled sectional tensions leading up to the Civil War.